You searched for how to buy shares of Lifetime Group Holdings, Inc., a U.S. fitness and wellness company that operates health clubs and studios listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LTH. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker LTH to locate the listing. Select the Lifetime Group Holdings, Inc. result to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company's summary and the recent price chart to confirm it's the correct listing. Ensure the page shows Lifetime Group Holdings, Inc. and the NASDAQ ticker LTH before proceeding. To invest, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.